Hello everyone, we've had another up day. First time since the downturn that we had two up days in a row. It was fairly strong. A lot of the higher risk pieces went up more than some of the others, which is same thing that happened yesterday. I think we're seeing a bump from the package that's being proposed for the bailout to 2.5 trillion will make it the largest bailout in history. The last time we did this type of activity was at the end of the 2008 downturn. It did make a difference and it got us out of what could have been something much worse. Hopefully this also helps us, combined with the fact that we don't have a banking system that is falling apart like we did in 2008, and this is why Vanguard and others feel like we could have a sharp recovery. Now we've had two good up days. The problem is this virus hasn't played out. Matter of fact, it's probably very much so in its infancy here in the US. So there could be additional news that comes out. And this entire downturn is more about the virus than financials at this point in time. So when do we crest? How long does that take? You know, some of us are locked down more than others. Does that matter? These are issues that are going to play out here. And I don't think that the worst news has been placed out there. The market is looking forward, but I still think that there's some built-in possibility that this thing does go a bit lower before it finally finds, some type of a bottom. Oftentimes the market's sort of like a rubber band. It actually has to kind of overshoot to create a feeding frenzy at the bottom that would create this upward movement. So I wouldn't be too nervous about an additional down. I do think it might actually help us going forward. But I hope everybody is keeping safe and healthy, and we will keep in touch with you. We're here if you need us. Please call or email, and we can help you. Thank you.